Baka maputol na naman.
Hindi yan. Okay. Sorry guys, naputol. So ulitin natin. Ano yung mga in-order natin? Tapos, magbibigay tayo ng sarap meter.
Ano, start na pa?
Start na. Naka-start na to.
Hi guys, so we're here at Cafe Moon by JK dito sa San Pedro branch nila. And then we ordered drinks, so we're 3. So, meron silang buy one take one biscuit latte na ice worth 230 pesos, buy one take one na yun. And then, may choco frap, diba? Worth 145.
Regular size.
Yes. Tapos sa drinks, ang aming sarap meter ay rating is 3 out of 5.
3 out of 5.
5 being the highest. Yan. Tapos, umorder din kami ng food. So, ito, chips lang to, courtesy of my friend. Then, meron kami tiramisu cake. Ito naman worth 185 pesos. So, rating namin dito ay 3.5 naman. And then for this one, fries, mid lang din siya. So 3 out of 5.
Nothing extraordinary.
Yeah, nothing extra. Fries with ketchup, wala siyang mayo.
Kala ko may mayo yun.
And then yung
Ano rate mo dito?
3. 3 out
Kasi
of 5.
normal
Yes.
price.
And then yung isa namin yun is yung Croffles. Marami silang variation, pero the one we've ordered is yung s'mores na Croffles. And then we rated it 3.5 out of 5. Yeah.
Would you
Kasi-
recommend trying out yung cafe mo dito?
Yes,
sa San Pedro?
I would recommend. I love the place. Very vibey siya, very cozy. At least for this particular branch, pwede ka mag-work, ganyan. Malamig, okay naman. So, pwede ka rin magluto ng ramen. Meron din silang ramen station dito. Where
Pero
you
hindi
can-
tayo
Pero hindi kami nag-ramen. Yan, okay naman. So, I would recommend. Thank you so much, guys. Bye!